Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you machine positioning and leveling precautions for PE film wrapping machine. To level the mold frame, first use a spirit level or ruler. A spirit level is preferred for its accuracy. After the equipment is installed, it needs to be leveled and its position verified according to the following standards. 1. The level error of the entire machine must be within 2 mm. A test error of only 1 mm is considered satisfactory. 2. Measure at least 4 points: the front and back of the left side and the front and back of the right side. Leveling methods are as follows. The bottom of the machine is equipped with 6 adjustment screws, 4 in the front and 2 in the back. After adjustment, if the ground level is significantly different, use iron plates to stabilize it. This will ensure greater stability and long-term operation. Finally, consider the equipment placement space. Approximately 3 meters of space should be reserved behind the machine to facilitate film changes. The front operating area needs to be arranged according to the layout of the factory. Some customers choose to place the 2 machines symmetrically, while others choose to place them in a straight line against the wall. Regardless of the placement, at least 1.5 meters of space must be left between the 2 machines to ensure that they can load materials simultaneously without interfering with each other. The above is the mold frame adjustment process and precautions.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.